Hi children, welcome to Radhika's teaching. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please tap on bell button and get my notification. Children, today we are going to discuss about the topic is our earth. Okay, this chapter is taken from the 9th class. This is the first chapter from 9th class. It is the part 2 of the chapter 1. Okay children. The scientists still debating about our earth. Okay, they are still debating how the earth was formed, and they thought that the earth began to form about the 4.5 billion years ago. Okay, 4.5 billion years ago. And next, the earth had reached its present form through several phases. Okay, before the earth is not like a now present day earth. Okay, the earth had reached its present form through several changes. The earth began to form as a ball of swirling clouds and clouds and dust. Okay, what is the meaning of swirling? A quick circular movement. On the time, the first earth began to form as a with the clouds and dust and the circular movement. Okay, in the circular movement, after that it has passed and it has reached into molten stage. What is the molten stage? Hot and liquid form. Hot and liquid form is called the molten stage. At that time, the earth is very hot and it was bombarded by the massive of rocks and other materials from the space. So in this process, the earth was grew. Okay, in this process the earth was grew. For example, while we preparing the thick soup, on the time when while the soup is boiling, on the time the lighter particle reached its top of the surface and the heavier particles settled down the bottom of the surface. The same way, the earth was a molten stage. On that time, it was hit by the massive rocks and other materials. On that time, the lighter particles settled down and reached the top of the surface, and heavier substances settled down on the bottom of the surface. And after it cooled down, the top of the surface cooled down and it was formed into a layer like a cream of milk. It was called a crust. And the interior of the earth was also slowly cooled down and wrinkled the crust of earth and formed the mountains and oceans. Okay children? Next is the atmosphere of the earth. The atmosphere of the earth. The atmosphere of the earth consists of various of different kinds of gases and vapor. The atmosphere of the earth consists of various of gases and water vapor. But the atmosphere of earth did not have the oxygen. So it took a long time for the air we breathe to develop. Okay, before then the earth did not have the oxygen. It took a long time for the air we breathe to develop. The oceans and basins form. The oceans and the basins formed by the rain-filled water. The earth crust was up and down, and the down areas filled the water So they was formed like a oceans and basins. Okay, children. In Earth history, there was no life in the half of the span. Okay, children. Before that, on the Earth history, we have to observe. Okay, half of the span. Half of the span means half of the Earth's time. There was no life. Okay, after the first of all, the life was started in the oceans. After it was evolved in plants, animals and human beings. Structure of the earth. Okay, children, the earth is made up of three main layers. Okay, what are they? Crust, mantle and core. Crust, mantle and core. First one is the crust. Okay, crust, mantle and core. Okay, first one is the crust. Already we discussed about the crust. Okay, the lighter particles of the earth reached into the top of the surface and it cools down and forms the crust. Okay, children, where we are living, that is called the earth. Outer part of the earth is called crust. Outer part of the earth is called crust. Outer part. And the crust exists and depth from 100 kilometers. 100 kilometers. Okay, children, it consists of various kinds of rocks. Various kinds of rocks. It is about the crust. Next we are going to discuss about the mantle. Okay, going to discuss about the mantle. Second one, mantle. Okay, this exists in depth from the 100 to 2900 kilometers. 100 to 2900 kilometers. And it is the consist of the mainly chemicals called the silicates. It consists of mainly of chemicals. It was called silicates. Silicates. And the mantle's upper part or upper layer is like a pliable layer. What is the pliable? Pliable means soft and smooth. The mantle's upper layer like a soft pliable layer, and over which is the crust floats. And over which is the crust floats. Okay, children, this is about the mantle. And next, core. Third one is core. It exists and depth from the 2900 kilometers to 6376 kilometers. 2900 kilometers to 6376 kilometers, and it consists with the dense and heavy substances like iron and nickel. Okay, iron and nickel. It consists with the iron and nickel. And it was divided into a it was divided into a sub-layers. What are the sub-layers? The outer layer and the inner layer. outer layer. Okay, this outer layer exists and depth from the 2,900 kilometers to 5,100 kilometers. It exists in depth from the 2,900 kilometers to 5,100 kilometers, and it consists of liquid materials, liquid metallic materials, nickel and iron. Nickel and iron. Liquid materials. Okay, children? Liquid materials, nickel and iron. Children, one is the inner layer. This inner layer exists at depth from the 5,100 kilometers to 6,376 kilometers. Okay, 5,100 kilometers to 6,376 kilometers. And it consists of iron and dense and heavy substances like gold. Iron and heavy and substances like gold. Okay, children? Iron, and it consists of iron and gold. Okay, children, first of all, the evaluation of the earth. What is about the evaluation of earth? The scientists discussing about the still discussing about the how the earth was formed. Okay, they thought that the earth was formed before 4.5 billion years ago, and the earth had reached to its present form several phases. First of all, it was like a swirling of dust and clouds, and next it was formed into a molten state. It was very hot and bombarded by the massive rocks and other materials. Like when we are boiling the sambar, and that time the light particles are reached to the top of the surface, and the heavier particles reach to the bottom of the surface. At the same way, the lighter substances reached at the top of the surface is called, it cooled down and formed a layer. It was called as a crust, and the interior of the earth was also slowly cooled down, and it wrinkled the formed mountains and oceans. Okay, the earth atmosphere also. Okay, there was on the atmosphere of the earth we find out the water vapor and different types of gases. Yes, children. So before the earth did not have the oxygen. Okay, it took a long time for the air we breathe to develop. How did it form the oceans and basins? Okay, on the earth crust there was a down areas. While the raining on that time, the down areas filled with the water, and it was formed into a oceans and basins. Okay, in the earth history we have observed there was no life. There was no life one half of the span, and the earth life was started in the oceans. The earth was not started on the earth. Sorry, the life was not started on the earth. The life was started on the oceans. After that evolved plants, animals and human beings over millions years. Okay, children. Next, the internal structure of the earth. It was divided into three parts, three main layers. The earth was made up of three main layers: crust, mantle and core. The crust, it was the exist and depth from the 100 kilometers, and the outer part of the earth is called the crust, and it consists of various kinds of rocks. And mantle. This mantle is also exists and depth from the 100 to 2900 kilometers. And its upper part, mantle's upper part or upper layer like a pliable layer, like a soft. This layer was a soft, and over which is the crust floats. And the mantle consists with the mainly of chemicals are called silicates. And next about the core. Core exists in depth from the 2900 kilometers to 6376 kilometers. Okay children, it consists with the dense and heavy substances of iron and nickel. It was also divided into two sublayers, outer layer and inner layer. Okay children, outer layer exists in depth from the 2900 and 5100 kilometers. It was consist of liquid metallic materials. Okay, what is the liquid metallic materials? Nickel and iron. And inner layer, what is about inner layer? It exists in depth from the 5100 to 6376 kilometers, and it consists of the iron and heavy substances like gold. Children, this is our today's topic, and next remaining portion of lesson we will discuss in the next session. Thank you children.